morning, friends. Happy Friday, and you know what that means. It's your friend Lisa Mason Ziegler and Flowers, and I'm inviting you to join our show today. So 12 noon Eastern Time, inside the app, we have an actual blooper happening behind us, friends. Suzanne's removing basil hanging from the shade. So I don't know if you've ever joined us for our show inside our app at noon. It is all about sharing our actual harvest. We have got some real beauties today, and I have a new one today that we are super excited to share with you guys. And guess what today's show is all about? Mother's Day, y'all. So there's still time for you to place orders and to get your order for Mom. Suzanne, my sister, is going to be demonstrating some of our arranging tools and how to use them and making a little bouquet. And so you want to check that out too, right? But here's the seal the deal. I give away something every single week to one lucky live viewer, and it's a $25 store credit again this week, y'all. We have learned that y'all love that more than me giving you any other product, right? You get to choose what you get for free. So if you don't have my phone app, and just go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, or you can simply comment the word app right here in the comments, APP, and I'll DM you the link to get the app, because when you're in the app, that's how you enter to be for the giveaway, right? You can't do that from social media. And when you get the app, y'all, you can go back and watch previous episodes. You can go in and there's a lot of great features inside there. So get the app at your phone store, at your phone's app store, Gardener's Workshop, or comment app, and join us at 12 noon Eastern Time. Get a beverage, grab your lunch, and we'll have great fun. It goes for about an hour, and I have some real beauties to show you today. I can't tilt it down, y'all. I got a new tripod, and it doesn't have quite the features that I'm used to. So, hope to see you on the flip side, and it's time to get ready for Mother's Day. You know, moms are super often, day in and day out, undervalued. And so, my opinion, you should give your mom a gift every day between now and Mother's Day. Right? Just saying. All right, friends. Just thinking what else I want to tell you. I think that's everything. All right, folks. See you 12 noon Eastern Time. That is in an hour and 9 minutes. You have plenty of time to get all your P's squared away and join me. All right.
If you can't make it, watch the replay.
And if you can't make it, thank you, sister. If you can't make it, remember you can catch the replay inside the app and take advantage of the weekend specials. We always launch a special on Friday that's available until Sunday morning at 8 a.m. So you can catch up later or tonight. Ciao, friends.